In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Pexels API key. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. After that, hover over your account profile icon in the top right, and then click on Settings. And then here you want to scroll to the bottom where under Company, it says Image and Video API. Click on this button over here. It's going to say your API key over here, so just click on this button. And then to be able to do this, you have to basically give it a project name, you have to select a project category, then you have to briefly explain how and where you want to integrate their photos and or videos, and then here, if applicable, you also want to put in the URL of your website, app, or whatever. Now, of course, you must read the terms of service and API guidelines as well, and if you agree to them, check this over here as well, fill all of this in up here, and then just click on Generate API Key, and then your API key is going to get generated, and that's how you can do it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.